Hey y'all, I am out of my everything cleaner. I clean my windows, my mirrors, my counters, my toilets, everything with this cleaner. Alright, let's go make some food. We're gonna need 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of water, and 10 drops of whatever essential oil you want. I normally use citrus. I think it makes the house smell really nice and fresh. But I have peppermint and lavender. Lavender is my second favorite, so I'm gonna make lavender today. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, 10 drops. Stir. Done. All you gotta do is funnel, pour. Shake and go. Done. All right, y'all, so this is a mirror that's been in our hallway for years, and honestly can't remember the last time I cleaned it, and from the looks of it, it shows. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like before and after. All right, let's spray this up. All right, it's hard to tell from my angle, but that looks pretty darn spankin' clean. Try this at home. Let me know how it works on your mirrors. Hey y'all, I am out of my, I'm stammering now. Sorry.